my name is Fitri Ayu Fadhila and my partner
Abdul Rauf.
and my name is Anggi Louisa. Okay, today we will teach how to operate blender. Thank you. Hey Abdul, what are you doing?
I cannot operate this blender. Do you know how to use it?
Of course, I always make a glass of juice by myself. I also often use blender.
Show me that.
First, make sure the blender is clean and in working conditions. Okay. Second, plug the socket. Then, install the ingredients. Then, close the lid and press button. Next, after blending done well, press the shade off. Then, unplug the cable. After that, pour the blend ingredients into a glass. Like this. After that, clean the blender. It's easy, right? You understand?
Yes, thank you very much.
You're welcome.